everyone, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles, and today I'm here after a very long time. I know guys, it's a very long gap. It's just because I don't know how, I just can't make time for making videos. I have contents, but it's like it is an impossible task just to put on makeup and just sit and shoot. Now I was very much eager to shoot one of the review of a very special product which I am currently using, and but I again thought that, oh my god, I have to put on makeup and I have to sit and look presentable and sit in front of you guys. But oh my god, I just can't do that. So I thought to just give a little touch up and just sit in front of you. Perhaps otherwise it wouldn't have been possible for me to shoot again. So today I'm going to film a review of a skincare product, a body butter from Coco. And disclaimer guys, it is not at all a sponsored video guys. I hope it was, but no, it's not. So yep, I really loved this product genuinely. That's why I thought to review it, and I was so eager to review this product. As you all know guys, that body butter and body lotions are an important part of any skincare regime. It is also important for keeping our skin healthy. It is nowadays very important to put on body butter or body lotion, because as we all know, we all have chlorinated water in our house, and sorry guys for that. We all have that chlorinated water in our house, and which strips off the moisture of our skin and makes it makes our skin dry. Now the dry skin is really prone to wrinkles, flakiness. So here I am today to review this amazing product from Coco. This is the product. Just check out the packaging guys, it is so wonderful. So yes, I am going to review this product from Coco body butter. Okay, first off, let's start with the packaging guys. It have this amazing packaging which I haven't seen for any kind of body butter. I don't know whether you have seen it or not for any other luxurious product which I haven't used yet. But yes, this kind of packaging I really saw in many watches, high-end watches, but as a body butter, no, I haven't seen. This is the first time I have seen. So yeah, so let's open this. So this is a cardboard box, and here comes the product. So it comes in this beautiful white tub packaging with a golden cap. This is the cap. Yes, and when I open this cap, there is one more transparent press lid cap for extra protection, and this makes it more travel friendly guys. So yep, when I open this, then comes here the product. I don't know, you cannot see it, I believe. This much product I have already used up. So yep, I'm using it day and night. Now let's move on to the texture and the application of this body butter. So this body butter, let me swatch it for you guys, is very thick. As it is body butter, you know body butters are thicker than any body lotion. So yeah, this have a very thick consistency. It is not a runny consistency. So yeah, the smell of this product is this smell have a very minty and coconutty fragrance to it, which is very soothing for me. I really love that kind of fragrance. And the application, once you have to really be patient and you have to massage it until this product gets totally absorbed in your skin. So you have to really massage it well. Now this much me time we all should give to our skin, which we really avoid sometimes. Yup, I myself do that many a time. But yup, if you have to take care of your skin, of your body, you have to give some time. So yeah, this product is now totally absorbed in my skin, as you can see. So my experience with this product is a really good one, because though you have to wait patiently and massage this product in your skin really well until it gets absorbed totally in your skin, but it's totally worth it. It is actually fine with me, because once you apply it, you will not feel, and trust me guys, you will not really feel any urge to apply any other body lotion or body butter for a long time. I can really vouch on that, because I'm continuously using this product for more than 3 to 4 weeks, and it is really a good one. After it gets absorbed in your skin, it will give that shiny and glowy and oily, some kind of oily texture to your skin, which just feels like coconut oil. Just like coconut oil, it will give that glowy finish, glowy kind of finish to your skin. So I forgot to mention the quantity and the price of this product. Quantity of this product is 200 grams. I don't know, my camera is not focusing at all, but one second, let me see. Nope, it's not. It is not at all focusing. So yep, it is 200-gram product, and the price of this product is rupees 899. Yes, it is rupees 899, and it contains virgin coconut oil, virgin king coconut oil, shea butter and lothra. So yep, the composition also I forgot to mention. So yes, moving on to whether you should buy this product or not. Number one, if you have super dry skin and you feel the urge to apply moisturizer every now and then bingo, this product is just for you. Okay. Secondly, if you like plumpy, glowy and more nourished kind of a skin rather than more of matte finish and non-sticky one, then yes, this product is just for you, because what I think is that stickiness or that little bit of greasiness and oiliness or the glowiness, whatever you may call, for that only I think you don't really feel the urge to apply lotions very soon. So yeah, it can really stay for a good at least 24 hours. I must say that at least good 24 hours it will stay fine. So thank you guys, that's all for today's video. If you really loved this review of mine, then do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we shall meet in our next video. Till then, yes, I haven't forgot the slogan, by the way, of Unboxing Smiles. I hope you also haven't forgot that. So yes, what is it? Keep smiling and keep spreading love. I know it is really harsh situation nowadays. It is really a gloomy one because of this COVID-19 and all lockdown. But yes, still I would like to spread this kind of vibes to you all, so that you all also remain positive, and mentally you should keep yourself happy, which will keep your health in a good position. So yeah, bye. See you in my next video.